If I have to become fluent in English, I think I have to speak more and more. I will not edit. Just naturally I am speaking. Every people is running, come here to running and come here to walking. Also they are watching me, but I don't. I don't care who is watching me. Jai Hind everyone. I'm Ronak from Bihar. No, this is day one of my English speaking journey. I'm just starting now English. How I can speak, how I can be fluent. Also comment me so that I also can improve in my English. Okay, I have to be a humble person. I have to be a more and more. Also I have to be a good English speaker. Okay, so when I talk to with someone else, when I also talk to with you in future, when you comment me, then I will talk to with you. Okay, in conversation also I already put in the email, so you can also connect with me and also talk to with me. And this is day one of my English speaking. I will not cut any part of this video. It means I will not edit. Just naturally I am speaking. Everything whatever I will speak, everything I'm telling you naturally. Okay, I don't have more editing that. So I am reading and speaking. If if I have to become fluent in English, I think I have to speak more and more. Okay, so what you can do, you also can watch my video and subscribe my video so that I can improve my English. If you also can improve your English, okay, then you also start in this way. Other first try to listening more and more. I'm not telling you to. Okay, first thing is this: I have to speak because my brother is telling me, why are you not learning English? Okay, because I'm understanding English. Everybody can speak English. I also can speak English, but I'm unable to understand that times because no, I started. This is my first day. I started. Okay, because I don't have friend. Okay, I don't have friend. Anyone friend? I can connect with him. That your hi friend. How are you? Is everything okay? Then I think why don't join the YouTube channel? Why I don't create a YouTube channel? Then I created a YouTube channel. That name is English. You already watching this video. Then if you support me, guys, then I will surely become a good English speaker. Okay, please support me. I'm telling you one thing. Don't shy while speaking. If you are already try to speak, don't shy. Don't feel shy. I'm also not feeling shy. Do you know? I'm making this video coastal of Ganga river. Okay, I tried to speak. I am trying to speak so that you also can understand. If you are understanding my video, what I am telling, then I think you will surely become like me. Do you know? And see behind me that there is also Samsan Ghat, and every people is running, come here to running and come here to walking. Also they are watching me, but I don't care who is watching me, who is not watching me. I don't, because when I watching someone video on YouTube, they were telling me how to start speaking. Okay, they tell me one thing. Okay, they tell me what they tell me. They told me that whoever is telling you, okay, whoever is commenting you and joking also on you, they don't let you feed. Then I thought, yes, this is right, they don't let me food. Okay, but that's why I'm trying to speak. So this is my first video, guys, and like and subscribe my video. Okay, also share this video who is also try to learn English, so that I will be surely confident in English. Okay, Jai Hind everyone. We will meet you on next video.